Hello everybody, my name is Rémi Goujon, Business Development Manager for M2M FACTORY, also in charge of Technology Survey. Our company develops dedicated solutions for homeland security business in the field of audio, video, transmission, energy, video analytics and countermeasure. As a key technology partner with Hikvision, we have exclusive access to specific components Hikvision is using in its daily product range. If some of those components fulfill our performance requirements, such as resolution or sensitivity in low light, we may then think about using them in our own solutions. As an example, this zoom modules is one of the most used components in our dedicated and specific cameras. We are very proud to be one of the main sponsors of the Hikvision Innovation Summit in Amsterdam, and we are glad to welcome you there.